Have you ever wondered how often our feathered friends in the sky come into contact with the massive metal birds we've engineered? And, more importantly, the impact of these encounters on both bird and machine? Our journey begins in the early days of aviation, on September 7, 1905, when the Wright Flyer 3, piloted by none other than Orville Wright himself, experienced the first recorded bird strike. This incident, while not catastrophic, marked the beginning of a long-standing issue in aviation. Fast forward to August 15, 1962. Over the skies of India, a DC-3 aircraft was cruising between Kabul and Amritsar when the crew spotted a vulture. Weighing up to 22 pounds, this bird didn't just strike the aircraft, it attacked it, penetrating the windshield and causing the unfortunate demise of the co-pilot. This marked the first fatal bird strike accident in India. Birds and aircraft have been colliding regularly ever since. Depending on the country, average bird strike rates between 2.83 and 8.19 per 10,000 aircraft movements have been reported in civil aviation over the past few years. In India, for instance, the actual performance achieved was 7.26 bird strikes per 10,000 flights in 2021, against a target of 4.39. Although bird strikes may seem trivial, they have severe financial implications. Annually, they result in costs of at least $1 billion to the worldwide commercial aviation industry, and this is a conservative estimate, as bird strikes are often underreported. But it's not just about the money. Bird strikes also bear the potential for catastrophic outcomes for the aircraft involved. As of November 11, 2019, bird strikes had caused 618 hull losses and 534 fatalities since the beginning of aviation. Fast forward to today, where increased data collection and wildlife hazard management programs, triggered by incidents like the Miracle on the Hudson in 2009, have significantly decreased the number of strikes causing damage. Efforts to deter wildlife from airports include habitat modifications and nest removal. Research is ongoing to develop radar systems and other technologies to prevent wildlife collisions in the future. In summary, bird strikes are a regular but serious issue in aviation, dating back to the earliest days of flight. These incidents have significant financial implications and potential for catastrophic outcomes, but ongoing research and mitigation efforts aim to reduce their frequency and impact. The skies are a shared space, and it's our responsibility to ensure they remain safe for all who traverse them, whether by feather or by wing.